Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel MLT Super Guide. In this video, I am going to discuss most important multiple choice questions for medical laboratory technologist JIPMER examination. So this is very important questions, don't miss it. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. 450 ml of blood require how much amount of anticoagulant? 63 ml, 36 ml, 50 ml, 49 ml. Here the right answer is option A, 63 ml. 450 ml of blood require 63 ml of anticoagulant. The volume of anticoagulant required to prevent clotting and preserve red cell is dependent on the volume of blood taken from the donor. Some collection bags are designed for the collection of 500 ml of blood and contain 70 ml anticoagulant. Others are designed for 450 ml collections and contain 63 ml of anticoagulant. So here the right answer is option A, 63 ml. Next question, Rh antigen present on chromosome 19, chromosome 16, chromosome 9, chromosome 1. Here the right answer is option D, Rh antigen present on chromosome 1. The Rh locus is located on the long arm of chromosome 1. Next question, Vibrio parahemolyticus can be isolated best from feces on eosin methylene blue agar, hectonendric agar, Salmonella shigella agar, thiosulfate citrate bile sucrose agar. Here the right answer is option D, thiosulfate citrate bile sucrose agar. It is a type of selective agar culture media which is used to isolate Vibrio species. TCBS agar contains high concentration of sodium thiosulfate and sodium citrate to inhibit the growth of Enterobacteriaceae. So here the right answer is option D. Vibrio parahemolyticus can be isolated best from feces on thiosulfate citrate bile sucrose agar. That is option D. Next question. Factor 2 of blood clotting is fibrinogen, prothrombin, thromboplastin, Christmas factor. Here the right answer is option B. Factor 2 is known as prothrombin. Factor 2 is also known as prothrombin. It is a protein made in the liver. It plays an essential role in blood clot formation. It's one of about 13 clotting factors involved in the proper formation of blood clots. So here the right answer is option B. Next question. Plasminogen is converted to plasmin by heparin, histamine, serotonin, urokinase. Here the right answer is option D. Plasminogen is converted to plasmin by urokinase. It is an enzyme involved in the conversion of inactive plasminogen into active plasmin, which in turn functions in a range of events of the metastatic cascade. So right answer is option D, urokinase. Next question, cause of hypercoagulable state. Polycythemia, radiotherapy, aplastic anemia, none. Here the right answer is option A, polycythemia. Cause of hypercoagulable state is polycythemia. Next question, hot air oven is used for sterilization of catheters, plastic syringes, glass, rubber gloves. Here the right answer is option C, glass. A hot air oven is the most common method of sterilization in the laboratory on dry heat. Sterilization is a process of removing or destroying all microorganisms, including viruses, bacteria, and their spores from the article or surface without destroying their quality and quantity. So here the right answer is option C, glass. Next question. Disinfection for superficial fungal infection. Chlorine, phenol, potassium permanganate, hypochlorite component. Here the right answer is option C, potassium permanganate. Disinfection of superficial fungal infection can be done by potassium permanganate. Next question, celluloid in embedded sections cut preferably with sledge microtome, freezing microtome, sliding microtome, none. Here the right answer is option C, celluloid in embedded sections cut preferably with sliding microtome. Right answer is option C, sliding microtome. Next question, ringworm disease is caused by zygomycetes, ascomycetes, both, none. Here the right answer is option B. Ringworm disease is caused by ascomycetes. Ringworm is a common infection of the skin and nails that is caused by fungus. The infection is called ringworm because it can cause an itchy red circular rash. Ringworm is also called dermatophytosis and this is mainly caused by dermatophytes. Next question. Triple phosphate crystals are normal constituents of CSF, urine, stool, pleural fluid. Here the right answer is option B, urine. Triple phosphate crystals are normal constituents of urine. Next question. Decalcification of tissue is done by using acid containing fluids, ion exchange resin, electrophoresis, all of the above. Here the right answer is option D, all of the above. Bone decalcification is the softening of bones due to the removal of calcium ions and can be performed as a histological technique to study bones and extract DNA. Next question. ESR is decreased in sickle cell anemia because sickling prevents hemolysis, clot formation, rouleau formation, Buffy-Coat formation. Here the right answer is option C, rouleau formation. Rouleau formation is the linking of RBCs into chains resembling stalks of coin. Next question. Which of the following is the main HB found in adult? HbF, HbA, HbA2, HbD. Here the right answer is option B, HbA. Next question. Which of the following is the confirmatory test for tuberculosis? Skin test, Seidenstein, AFB culture, Mantoux test. Here the right answer is option C, AFB culture. Confirmatory test for tuberculosis is AFB culture. Next question. Sudan dyes are Sudan 3, Sudan 4, Sudan black bee, all of the above. Here the right answer is option D, all of the above. Sudan dyes are synthetic chemical dyes of similar chemical structure. They are aromatic compounds containing azo group. Sudan 1, 2, 3 and 4 are kinds of the Sudan red dyes. Next question. Band forms are typically seen in infection with Plasmodium malaria, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium falciparum. Here the right answer is option A. Band forms are typically seen in infection with Plasmodium malaria. Next question. Impairment in the synthesis of dopamine by the brain is a major causative factor for the disorder goiter, Addison's disease, Parkinson's disease, Cushing syndrome. Here the right answer is option C, Parkinson's disease. Impairment in the synthesis of dopamine causes Parkinson's disease. Next question. Burkitt's lymphoma is caused by Epstein-Barr virus, Papova virus, herpes simplex virus, 2 cytomegalovirus. Here the right answer is option A. Burkitt's lymphoma is caused by Epstein-Barr virus. Epstein-Barr virus has the ability to immortalize B lymphocytes by hindering apoptosis signals within the cell. The virally encoded cells therefore proliferate to high numbers in the body, leading to malignancies. So here the right answer is option A. Burkitt's lymphoma is caused by Epstein-Barr virus. Next question. Sclerotic cells in tissue are diagnostics of mycetoma, blastomycosis, chromomycosis, pheohyphomycosis. Here the right answer is option C, chromomycosis. Chromoblastomycosis is a chronic fungal infection of the skin and subcutaneous tissue. The infection usually results from a traumatic injury and inoculation of microorganism from a specific group of dematicious fungi. So sclerotic cells in tissue are diagnostic features of chromomycosis.